Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Webflow, the website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Webflow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Webflow account anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have high converting landing pages, and Webflow is a popular way to build that easily. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Webflow website, webflow.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up their website, webflow.com, and this is the login page. Now, in order to create a Webflow account, you want to go ahead and click on Get Started. It's free. Okay, once you do that, in order to create a Webflow account, you can go ahead and use an email address, or you can sign in with Google. For me, I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address in off screen. Okay, next they're asking me to create a password and then click on Create Account. Okay, next Webflow is going to ask you a series of questions to help set up your Webflow account. So they're asking for my first name and last name, and then click on Continue. Okay, now they're asking how I will be using Webflow. Is it for my company? Am I going to be building websites for clients or for myself? So I'm going to go and click my company. Okay, this is asking what describes your workplace. So I'll go and click small business and continue. And how many employees? Let's say 1 to 5. Okay, and what type of site are you looking to build today? So I'll click business site and continue. And now they're asking if I am looking to hire someone to build my site. I'm going to click no. Okay, next, in order to build your first website on Webflow, they're asking, do you want a blank site? Do you want to use one of their many templates, or do you want them to guide you with a tutorial? So me, I'm going to go ahead and click on a blank site, and then you can go ahead and name your first site and click on Create Site. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, just a quick second later, it brings me here to the Webflow editor, so I can go ahead and start building out my first landing page or my website. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to sign up and create a Webflow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.